kind of obvious that we have not evolved to be able to consume this much stuff that not only are we voluntarily consuming, but stuff that's getting forced down our throats, right? Now, information used to be valuable because not all of us had access to it, right? Remember Encyclopedia Britannicas? Like if you had one in your home, you were like smarter because you could afford additional info that other people could not. The smartest kid in the class was always rewarded. And if you knew more, you were more powerful. Not anymore, because we all have access to literally the same information on our phones, and ChatGPT and AI and all this stuff. It's just leveling the playing field for what we have access to. And if information were the answer to all of our worries and problems, wouldn't we all be where we want to be? We're not.
The number of people who are wasting countless hours of their life with acquiring information that they'll never need.
From an early age, we're taught that more is better. More money, more information, more skills. But times have changed, and what was once valuable has now become a burden. There's a new book out. I'm going to recommend you grab a copy. It's called Lean Learning, and it's by my friend, Pat Flynn.
This book is full of mental models that are truly like mission critical, integral, some of the most important mental models that any entrepreneur or any successful person really has to internalize.
I'll tell you, Pat's lean learning methodology is an antidote to today's modern world of overstimulation and information overload.
These are like degree chasers for me. It's like going after the next certification, the next degree, thinking you're going to learn something that'll eventually give you the courage to then launch something.
Right.
As opposed to, let me learn enough in a short amount of time, see if this even is going to work for me, if I even like it, and then I can keep mastering. Then I'm going to need to know information, more information after that.
And the momentum begins. You start to get excited because you've gotten part one done and you move on, right? How many people read books all the way through and never take any action?
Yeah.
By focusing on just-in-time information rather than overwhelming yourself with just-in-case knowledge. This approach helps you act swiftly and learn effectively without getting bogged down by the abundance of information.
I like that. I really like the idea of learning it when you're ready for it. And it almost reminds me a little bit of the idea that when the student is ready, the master appears.
Pat reminded us that learning can actually become a crutch if we're not careful. It feels productive to do research, to watch tutorials, to subscribe to all the podcasts. But real progress only comes when we take action, especially imperfect action.
I really love how this helps you to get intentional about the ebb and flow of learning and business and being able to really focus in and get better at some little things and then invest in these big sprints where you're going to get amazing things done and then refocus. It's just a really cool way to be able to thoughtfully move through those different stages of work and learning.
So you're helping us to really unlock so many of our superpowers with Lean Learning. And this is a must-have book. Get your copy today, wherever books are sold. The one and only Pat Flynn.
Thank you, my friend. Thanks, everybody.